Namaste, Har Har Mahadev, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to, I want to tell you something very special and close to my heart. So let's begin. You know what happened, guys? A few days ago, I planted a tree. Now that maybe sound like a life-changing event. After all, million of people plant tree every year, right? Some do for the environment, some do it for a social work, and some do it for because part of an event, right? But what if I told you that a tiny slap through me more about success, patience, leadership, and life? The many motivation books could say sounds impossible, doesn't it? Right? Because when most people look at a tree, they see the leaves, they see the branches, they see the seeds, but very few people see the lessons hidden behind it. And that's exactly what happened to me today. I attended a plantation volunteering activity for the very first day. Okay, first time in my whole life. I thought it was going to be just like planting the tree, but by the end of the day I realized that the tree plantation teach us so many lessons within ourselves. A new perspective has been came out of it, a new responsibility, a new understanding of a growth. Today, I want to share that experience with you all, and I literally promise you all, by the end of this video you will never look at the trees the same way you look them again, because every tree around us is silently teaching us a lesson. Most people never notice it. So stay with me, because this story is not really about the trees, it's about the life, the beautiful life, about the growth, and about the legacy we live behind us. So guys, the day starts early in the morning from like 8 o'clock in the morning, as we were boarding a bus with other volunteers. So I thought it would be just like another social event, go and interactive with people. They will be having initiative, meaningful days, few photographs, and then normal life, everyone thinks. But guys, please stop here. I was totally wrong. As the bus starts moving, something felt different. People from different backgrounds were sitting together. Students, professionals, volunteers. Yet everybody has shared the same excitement. They were laughing together. They were having conversation. There was a positive energy in the air. And as we moved on away from the noise of the city, I noticed something. The farther we travel into the nature, the calmer we feel. The stress of daily life slowly disappeared. The endless notification, the deadlines, the pressure, the rush. For the first time, in a long time, I felt in a present, completely in a present. When we feel, finally reached to the plantation site, I looked around and felt something I cannot fully describe it right now. There was a fresh air, open land, the sound of the birds, wow, the smell of the soil, greenery surrounding us felt so peaceful, and kind of peace that no shopping mall, movie, social media feed can ever provide us. And at that moment I really realized something, and that's very important to know that nature has way of healing us without even saying a single word. Each volunteer received a plucking tool. As I held that tiny plant in my hand, it looked so small, so fragile, yet inside that smell the potential to become something magnificent. And suddenly I understand great things often begin in a small form, just like our dreams, just like our career, just like a success we want. As I planted that tree, I felt connected to something bigger than myself. For a few moments, everything became silent. The not around me, inside me, and the feeling of peace is something I will never ever forget. See, the life lesson I have learned is growth takes time. We all live in a world around what is, wants instant result, instant success, instant money, instant recognition. But here, the nature, the work way is very different. The tree does not become strong overnight. First, it comes in a form of seed, then in the form of root, then in a stem, then the branch, then a year of growth. This follows the same pattern, guys. Many people quit because they do not see immediate results. But the trees taught me that the growth is happening even when nobody sees it. The root grows before the branch appears. Your presentation happened before your success become visible. Trust the process, guys. Next lesson I have learned was strong root creates strong result. Now, every strong tree has a strong root, right? Roots are visible. Nobody applauds them. Nobody takes photos of them. Yet, they are the foundation. In our life, roots are value, our discipline, our characteristics, our habits. People admire success, but success is built on things nobody sees. Build your root first, then the result will follow you. Then I have also learned the powerful lesson of teamwork. The day I noticed something beautiful, no one was working alone. Everyone was helping each other and sharing tools, giving guidance, ensuring that one another are doing right thing. A single person can, plant a tree, but a community can create a forest. The same is the truth in our life. Success is rarely a solo journey. The people around us matter. Sports matter. Collaboration matters. Together we achieve more than ever you can achieve alone. And guys, the final lesson I have learned that give more than you take. Think about it. What a tree gives you. It gives you oxygen, shade, fruit, beauty, a home for birds, and ask for almost nothing in return, right? What if we live the same way? What if we focused more on contributing on than to compensation? The happiest people are often those who create value for the other. Tree remind us that our purpose is not only to grow, it's also to help each other as a society. And guys, that's what what happened to the questions I asked. What are we planning, planting together? What is the knowledge, kindness, service, idea? Because every action become a seed, and every single seed become a future. So before I conclude this video, I would really like to express my heartfelt gratitude, sincere gratitude to NSBT for giving me a wonderful opportunity to participate in this tree plantation volunteering today. And this was not just about an event, it was also about an experience that taught me valuable lesson about the nature, teamwork, responsibilities and service. I am especially grateful to Nivedita ma'am for her consultation, support, encouragement and even the guidelines towards the journey. Your leadership and dedication made this experience meaningful and memorable, ma'am. Today, when I think about that tiny plant we planted today, I does not see a future. I see a tree. I see a hope. I see a responsibility. I see the power of small action. And I see remember that real growth takes time, whether it is a tree or it is your dream career or a person you want to become. Growth happen one day at a time, one step at a time, one effort at a time. So if there's one message I want to take away from the video, it would be never underestimate the power of the small beginning, because forest begins with a single seed. Success will happen with a single step. Change begins with a single action. The best time to plant tree was 20 years ago. So guys, plant tree, protect nature, provide service, and while helping the world to grow. Do not forget to grow yourself. Thanks for watching. If this video really inspire you, do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Until that, peace out.
धरणी मातेला मिळालेले दोन असे बंधू आहेत. पूर्ण तर फुलाची पाकिटे धरणीला देत आहेत आणि देत आहेत, नुसतं देत नाही तर त्यांना जगवत आहे. त्यात मला खूप आनंद होतो. आणि विशेष म्हणजे तुमच्या जसे काश्मीर टीममध्ये आपले सगळे जे प्रयत्न करणारे लोक आहेत, तसे माझ्या टीममध्ये प्रयासमध्ये आमचा किशन म्हणजे आमच्या कृष्णरूपात किशन आहे, आणि नारायण सर आणि आमचे प्रवीण सर हे अहोरात्र मेहनत इथं करतात. खरोखर त्यांचं कौतुक करायला मला एवढा आनंद होतो की आपल्या नावाने, आमच्या टीमच्या नावाने आणि प्रवीण सरांच्या नावाने एकदा जोरदार टाळ्या होऊ द्या. वेळ कमी. धरणीचं वैभव पाठी आपल्या सदैव. वृक्ष धरणीचं वैभव पाठी आपल्या सदैव. माणसं झाली रे दानव, विनाकारण त्यावर घावं. माणसं झाली रे दानव, विनाकारण त्यावर घावं. नाही वृक्ष धरणीवर, नाही वृक्ष धरणीवर किती तापली माय. नाही वृक्ष धरणीवर किती तापती माय. तापमान वाढलं सारं, होती अंगाची लाय लाय, होती अंगाची लाय लाय. वृक्ष नाही धरणीवर, नाही साठाचा जल. वृक्ष नाही धरणीवर, नाही साठाचा जल. होती मातीची धूप, नदी नाले झाले उथळ, नदी नाले झाले उथळ. वृक्ष नाही धरणीवर, नाही मायाची सावली. वृक्ष नाही धरणीवर, नाही मायाची सावली. नाही पशुपाकरा घर, दुःखी होते रे माऊली, दुःखी होते रे माऊली. वृक्ष नाही धरणीवर, पर्यावरण समतोल. वृक्ष नाही धरणीवर, पर्यावरण समतोल. रोगराईची सावट, जातो मानवाचा तोल, जातो मानवाचा तोल. कसं होईल जगाचं, कसं होईल जगाचं वृक्ष नाही धरणीवर. कसं होईल जगाचं वृक्ष नाही धरणीवर. प्रदूषण रूपी राक्षसांची जत्रा भरणार जगभर, जत्रा भरणार जगभर, जत्रा भरणार जगभर. ही माझी कविता झाली. शिकलेली ही माणसं सारी वेगळीच यांची तातावा. बंधू या हो तुम्ही, झाडे लावा भूमी. बंधू या हो तुम्ही, झाडे लावा भूमी. विनंती करतो सर्वांना मी, नका घालू यावर घाव. अरे विनंती करतो सर्वांना मी, नका घालू यावर घाव. श्वास धरणी मातेचा हा थांबत का हो राव. बंधू या हो तुम्ही, झाडे लावा भूमी. बंधू या हो तुम्ही, झाडे लावा भूमी.